This is Kameshwari from Nalla Narasimhareddy Education Society Group of Institutions, Department of Civil Engineering. My subject Geotechnical Engineering, third year, first semester. Today we are going to discuss about Unit 1 Introduction related problem. Now see the dry unit weight of a sand sample in the loosest state is 13.34 kilonewton per meter cube, and in the densest state it is 21.19 kilonewton per meter cube. Determine the density index of this sand when it has a porosity of 33%. Porosity N is equal to 33%. Porosity N is equal to 33%. Assume G, specific gravity is equal to 2.68. Here, first of all, write given data, dry unit weight. Unit weight symbol gamma of a sand sample in the loosest state. That means loose condition, more voids. More voids means less density. It consists of a more voids. Soil particle consists of a more voids means it gives the less strength to the structure. That's why gamma minimum is equal to 13.34 kilonewton per meter cube. And densest state, gamma max 21 point. Loose means minimum. Max means maximum voids. So loosest state, more voids, less density, gamma minimum. Densest state means less voids, it gives the more strength. That's why gamma max is equal to 21.19 kilonewton per meter cube. So determine the dry density index of this sand. Density index, relative density. What is the formula for relative density? ID is equal to E max minus E by E max minus E minimum. Now solving E max value and E minimum value and void ratio E value. Here already given N is equal to 33%. Now calculate void ratio. E is equal to void ratio E is equal to N by 1 minus N. E is equal to N by 1 minus N. N is equal to 33%. So 0.33. 0.33 divided by 1 minus 0.33. Calculate E is equal to, what is the value of void ratio E? 0.49. Now, next we can find out E maximum value. Gamma minimum is equal to, what is the value of gamma minimum value? 13.34. 13.34 is equal to specific gravity value 2.68. What is the value of unit weight of water? Unit weight of water, some cases it is given in problem, otherwise standard value you can take as 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube. 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube by 1 plus E maximum. 1 plus E maximum. Now find out E max equal to E max is equal to 0.971. Here already given gamma minimum value, G value, gamma W value. Now calculate E max is equal to 0.971. Next calculate E minimum value. Already given gamma max value. That value substitute in below equation. 21.19 is equal to, what is value of specific gravity? G is equal to 2.68. So now substitute 2.68. Already we can know that unit weight of water value 9.81 divided by 1 plus E minimum. E minimum is equal to, now calculate E minimum is equal to, what is the value of E minimum value? 0.241. Finally, we can calculate density index, that is equal to E max minus E by E max minus E minimum value. What is the value of E max? E max is equal to 0.971. 0.971. E max is equal to 0.971 and E minimum is equal to 0.241. 0.241. Now void ratio E is equal to, already you can solve, already you can determine void ratio E is equal to 0.49. Void ratio E is equal to 0.49. These three values substitute in relative density index. That is equal to E max value 0.971 minus 0.49 divided by E max is equal to 0.971. 0.971 minus E minimum is equal to 0.241. That is equal to 56.8%. 56.8%. 56.8%. So the problem is here given dry unit weight of a sand. Unit weight means gamma in the loosest state. Loose means soil consists of a more voids, it gives the less strength. Less strength means minimum strength. Gamma minimum is equal to 13.34 and densest state. Soil consists of a less voids is give the more strength. Gamma max is equal to 21.19 kilonewton per meter cube. Now determine density index for this sand when it has a porosity of 33%. Assume G is equal to 2.68. Some cases unit weight of water given in problem, otherwise we can take gamma W is equal to 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube. So the main equation is relative density E max minus E by E max minus E minimum. So we can find out the E max and E minimum and E value. Maximum void ratio, minimum void ratio, natural void ratio. What is the formulas for maximum void ratio, minimum void ratio and natural void ratio? Generally we can know that void ratio E is equal to N by 1 minus N. Already here given porosity value. Porosity value n is equal to 33%. N is equal to 33%. So E is equal to n by 1 minus n. 0.33, 1 minus 0.33, 0.49. Now we can solve maximum void ratio. Maximum void ratio by using this formula, by taking this equation, we can find out the E maximum value. And by taking this equation, we can find out the E minimum value. Now substitute the maximum void ratio, minimum void ratio and natural void ratio in density index. Finally we can determine the density index 56.8%.